Hi everyone, come with me to make this gorgeous, wonderful, very simple backpack. I started by taking several fabrics and joining them in different colors. I also added a rickrack there to make it look really pretty. And in total, this fabric then ended up being 1 meter 25 by 52 centimeters. That's right, it was really long. Then I cut the top part about 8 centimeters and installed the zipper on both sides. To attach the zipper, you'll place the zipper's right side, the main fabric's right side, and the lining fabric's wrong side behind the zipper. You're going to do this for both pieces, for the longer one and also for that shorter one right there on the upper section. Once the zipper is stitched in place, we will then trim away all the little excess edges, ensuring everything is perfectly straight before folding it in half. You will then fold the lining fabric over to one side and the main fabric will be folded to the opposite side. It will look like this. You'll then mark 10 centimeters on the upper section and connect it with the lower part. Then we'll make the milk carton shape, 6 cm high, 46 centimeters on one side, 8 on the other, and cut. We'll also cut the sides, and now we'll make the straps. Cut 2 pieces 10 centimeters by 1 meter, and 1 piece 20 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Fold it in half, stitch along the entire length, and turn it right side out. It's going to be like this. We're going to place the straps positioned up top right in the center of the piece and also at the bottom 2 centimeters on the side section. In this bottom section, I've attached a D-ring secured by a small strap that measures 6 by 8 centimeters folded in half. Notice I positioned the straps with the fabric open. Now we're going to fold it, placing the straps inside and secure it at the top with the clips. When we go to sew, we're going to stitch the lining separately from the main fabric. So you'll place the clips there, keeping the two pieces separate, and then we're going to stitch the top section all together, and the bottom section will be stitched separately. The box corner over there, we'll also be sewing that separately. The lining and the main fabric. Once we've done all the stitching, just turn the piece right side out. You'll notice I've kept the main straps separate for now, so next we'll feed them through the D-ring and then position the adjuster, making a small securing stitch to firmly attach the adjuster to the straps. And our backpack is completely ready. Just look how beautiful and stylish it is. And I'm sure you're going to love making this very backpack. It turned out really big. It fits a lot of things and it's wonderful. Now comment below what you thought, or even better, like comment and share to support our channel because it costs you nothing, but for us it makes all the difference. I'd love to see your participation here on our profile.
So that's how it is. Until next time.